My question is, what makes you motivate after all these years? Um, what keeps you motivated to continue performing after all this year in the music industry?
What keeps me motivated are the people who have been supporting me ever since, and the new people who are trying to love my music now. So every time I go up on stage, it's like new audience for me, even though may mga tagal na nanonood for me. So, yung mga taong nanonood talaga, they motivate me to sing and sing some more. Kasi minsan parang, ayoko nakakapagod na kumanta. Pero ako hindi ako napapagod kasi talaga, after every show, pag nakikita ko yung mga smiles nila, yung mga comments nila that I made them happy, like at one point in their lives, or on that night, or at that show, nakaka-motivate talaga to sing some more and to hear their stories. So, see, kaya lahat.
Thank you.
Kasi yung mic,
Binulsa na.
wala kang
Inu.
We have questions from Cesar Batingan from Net25.
Of course. Yes.
Kumusta ka ba? No comment. Nina, congratulations once more for this another milestone of your career
Thank you.
in the industry. Right now, pagkatapos ka ng repeat, for sure, magiging successful naman. Tuloy mo na bang isasara ang chapter ng Nina Live, or may possibility na ito yung magkaroon ng panibagong yugto? And kumusta, may changes ba na kumbaga maaari ka na bang gumawa ng panibagong recording ng Nina Live?
Actually, sinagot ko na yun before kasi marami naghahanap for the Nina Live like 2.0. But I believe na yung Nina Live kasi parang very historic na siya and very iconic na siya. So I don't wanna do another Nina Live kasi yun na tinatanggap ng tao. And till now, yun pa rin naman yung hinahanap for me. And I don't want to close that chapter, the Nina Live chapter, because Nina Live is me. I love to sing live in front of people. So ayoko i-close yung Nina Live chapter. If I'm going to do another chapter, Nina Live is still gonna be there, but I'm going to open a new chapter, but opening like doing a new song or an album. That's what it is. But the Nina Live album, I'm not closing it. It's still there. People love to sing the songs from there. Gusto pa rin nila naririnig. So, ayoko mag-close ng chapter.
Yes, of course. And then in connection of what you said, you're creating a new songs, a new album. Tell something about it. Yung mga nakaline up na ba? At ano bang tunog ito? Bago ba to? Or it's a revival songs?
Always naman, it's just there. Like, I've written a lot of songs and it's just in my notebook and it just waiting for the arrangement and everything kasi I don't wanna put it out there na half-cooked naman siya. So gusto kong nilabas siya, gusto ko yung perfect na, mapanindig balahibo and stuff. So hindi naman kasi madali na gagawa ka lang ng song tapos lalabas mo na kapal. So I really want it to be perfect for everyone.
May input pa ba dito ng yung trademark mo, yung whistle?
I think dapat meron kasi hinahanap yun ng tao. So, meron.
Okay, last question na lang. Kulit na question lang. At this point of time, meron pa bang nagpapa-jail sa buhay mo?
May nagpapajealous.
Papa Jails.
Jelly. Parang wala
Since
naman.
Jails is one of your hit.
Yeah, parang wala naman. Jealous-jealousan pwede. Parang kunyari, hurt-hurtan tayo. Ganun lang. Ganun.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, from one TV network to another. Avian Zudik from Billionaire News Channel.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I just wanted to say that it has been mentioned since earlier that the parents, sila yung nag-influence sa child nila. I'm one of those.
Oh, di ba? Thank you
Yes.
so much to your mom.
My mom is such a big fan.
Yes,
So,
thank you.
with that being said, kanina nga na-mention nyo na you don't want to close the Nina Live chapter. Does this mean that you feel like this is gonna expand in the future? Maybe outside of Manila shows or overseas shows?
Well, yeah, I've been doing that a couple of times already. said, am I closing the Nina Live chapter? Like, am I not gonna sing the Nina Live songs anymore? Definitely not, because that's what the people want to hear from me. So it's still gonna be there, but as I've said, there will be no more Nina Live 2.0 or another Nina Live for me, because I believe this is a very iconic album, iconic event in my life. It's history already. Diamond, 10 times platinum. So, nandiyan na lang siya. If I'm going to move on, I'm going to probably do more songs, new original songs for everyone. And yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Ito yung mag-English, no?
Ha?
Ito yung... Balik ko yung...
Siyempre baka magalit ka sa akin pag hindi nag-English. Ano ba?
We have questions from Jeffrey Perdon from Kapamilya Online World.
Hello po.
Hello.
Last time po, nag-cover kayo ng Die of the Sea.
Yes.
This time po ba may na-expect kami another special performance?
I believe so, because yun nga, it's actually a portion in a lot of my concerts that I have a song that a lot of people are requesting for, so probably, yes.
How do you plan to make this repeat show po a unique experience for your fans?
A unique experience, this one. Well, aside from Christian Bautista is already in the lineup, so it's really the Nina Live for real. There will be a lot of songs that we didn't include in the first one. A lot of people were looking for some of the songs from Nina Live album, and because we cannot put all of the Nina Live songs in one concert, but a lot of people suggested to put this Nina Live song in the concert, so we included some of the songs that weren't on the first one.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Tipid na tanong. We have questions from Lea Salterio again. Additional. Pero wala additional. Additional questions lang, pero
Oo, pero
dapat
walang
malinaw
additional.
Baka may additional.
Oo. Sa akin mo na ibigay additions.
Tama.
Yes.
Si Julia Fordham, she's been here a couple of times in the Philippines. Did you get to meet her in person?
Yes!
Wow.
And she even signed my Nina Live album 10 times platinum.
Wow.
Yeah!
That's
So,
nice.
yeah, I'm so proud of that. Like, I was able to meet her and she signed that award.
Parang mas sikat na yung version mo than her version.
Well, she actually said that, you made my song popular here in the Philippines. Oh, thank you so much. So,
Yeah. And have you ever been intimidated by anyone during your younger years?
Intimidated with a lot of people, syempre. Pero I don't really show it kasi if you show your intimidation, mas lalo kang mamaliit din eh. I just do my stuff. I just sing and just perform and go about my day. That's all. So, of course, I get intimidated with new ones and old ones. Intimidate naman talaga.
How did you handle it?
I just brush it off. I just, perform and sing and just show them my talent and just go home and rest.
Prove your talent.
Yeah, just prove your talent. Yun lang naman.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Additional yun. I-introduce ko daw siya ulit, si Jerry Olea from pep.ph. Palakpakan mga kaibigan.
May nagpapatanong lang muna, ito yung una kong question. Amenable ka ba, payag ka ba naman may producer na kasi? Nina, Kyla, back to back.
May producer na.
May producer.
Ay, wow. Oo, maganda nga yun. Siyempre yung manager yung mga katanong kung okay ba sa kanya.
Ay, ito si Kathy. Kathy.
Watch muna tayo ng Nina the Repeat.
After nun, may decision na siya. Watch mo na lang din.
For next year na yun.
Ayan na, masaya ka na. Yung Nina XX na concert, more than 2 hours. Tapos talagang ikaw lahat ang kumanta,
Talaga ba?
kaduet mo, walang solo number yung mga guests eh. Ikaw lahat ang kumanta, more than 2 hours yun. Pero
Madamot ako eh.
umpisa pa lang, bumibirit, humuhuri. Ang mas nakakaloka pa na nasabi rin sa amin ni Direk Calvin na nag-run through ka 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Wala kang skip na song. So talagang kung kami doon sa show pa lang, parang amazed na nakakapagod. Meron ka pa palang nung nag-run. Nasabi mo nga kanina, 1 week yung preparation. Kumusta ka naman yung pagkatapos ng concert na talagang
Ay, marami pang energy kasi na-meet ko pa yung mga fans ko after the show. So, ganun talaga ako kumbaga, adrenaline rush kasi. So, halos 4 hours na pala ako kumakanta, no? 2 hours
more than 4 hours talaga.
Oo, diba?
Kasi yung show itself more than 2 hours eh.
2 hours sa more than 2 hours sa run through, more than 2 hours sa concert. And I didn't mind because I love what I'm doing. And after that, I met with my fans pa, supporters, nagkape-kape pa kami and everything. And yun.
Paano ka nag-relax the next day, yung mga sumunod na araw?
Nag-buffet lang. Kumain ng madami. Yan, gano'n. Tapos relax lang sa room. Ganyan.
At kumusta ang Nina kung ano, not the singer, kundi yung the person, yung private person. Paano yung, kumbaga yung everyday mo? Paano yung wala itong show, isa wala itong
Yes, as what you've said, I'm a very private person. In person, outside show business kasi. And I really make it a point to make my private life private lang talaga. Para, kumbaga, kasi ang explanation is public ka know about it, but private, talagang huwag mo na gawin public. Para wala na nga yung gulo. Public is public, private is private. And ako nga, I like to be a very domesticated person at home. Gusto kong nagluluto for my child, I like to teach her sa mga school niya and everything. Kasi ibang-iba eh. Pag nasa limelight ka na, syempre, diba, you have to perform, you have to entertain. And sa bahay, I'm just a homebody person.
at nire-respeto at tanggapin ng fans mo. Pero paano yung saan ka humuhugot para dun sa susulatin mong kanta o ipe-perform? Kasi ramdam ng audience talaga yung kirot. Saan mo hinuhugot pa rin yung parang may nararamdaman silang pain?
Kasi meron talaga akong mahuhugot. Kasi kumbaga yung bawat song na kinakanta ko, kakarelate talaga ako. Kumbaga sometimes I don't sing a song that I cannot relate with. If ever di naman ako makarelate sa song, at least meron naman akong friend na nakarelate naman dun sa song. So I just put myself into that person's shoes and I sing it like I'm singing it for that person.
May tanong lang ako kay Direk Calvin. Direk Calvin, anong challenges to mount a repeat concert na kumbaga bago pa man sold out na, paano mo maiahain na bagong forma?
Say a few words.
Ayoko naman magsalita. Okay, good afternoon po. Thank you po sa support niyo.
Ang sweet?
Oo. Nung first na Nina XX. So now we're doing the repeat. Challenges, medyo people pleaser kasi ako eh. So, as a director, I listen to feedbacks and I listen to online comments. I read mga comments online. Parang I feel that parang we need to, kasi dahil nga people pleaser ako, we need to give more or do more in the show na talagang gusto nila. So, and si Nina rin, parang ganun din siya. Parang, sabi niya, parang biten. Sabi ko, hindi naman, sabi ko, biten? Sabi ko, hindi, parang explanation niya, parang maglagay pa tayo ng more Nina live songs that we missed and yung hinahanap ng mga fans. So, that's what we're doing in the repeat. Kaya parang nung I was studying the repertoire, sabi ko parang nag-iiba na yung takbo ng show. So parang ibang show na siya. Hindi talaga siya, alam mo yun, it's a repeat. Dahil, of course, Nina Live, ano pa rin siya, songs pa rin siya. Pero dinagdag Pangalawa, wala naman akong babaguhin na kasi masaya na ako doon sa show. As it is, wala naman ako babaguhin. Except lang, yung songs lang talaga. Inaral namin mabuti. Even the prod numbers. Of course, yung prod number niya kay Top, kay Christian, kay Thor. So inaral din namin which songs ang ilalagay namin para dun sa duet nila. Kasi nga, sabi nga niya kanina, di ba, madamot siya. Ayaw niya ng next spot number ng mga guests. So ayaw pa rin na, it's still the same, Tito Jerry. Hindi pa rin siya lalabas ng stage. Maglalabas lang siya para magbihis during the playback of the videos. Pero ganun pa rin yung gagawin niya. Gusto pa rin niya solohin pa rin yung show. Kasi nga, para sa kanya, sabi niya, parang yung, that's her way of thanking her fans for supporting her after all these years. So parang gusto niya talaga, pagka may pagkakataon, meron siyang show na malaki, gusto niya na ibigay talaga lahat yung makakaya niya. Sabi ko nga sa fun fact lang, guys, yung sincerity ni Nina sa mga sinasabi niya ngayon, while, pinapakinggan ko siya, totoo talaga na sobra niyang nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng support ng kanyang mga fans. Especially, nakita ko talaga yon nung nag-run through kami. Nung May 9, na nag-run through kami, sabi ko, sige, let's start from the top, run through tayo. And simulang-simula pa lang. Paglabas pa lang niya, singing There You'll Be, na nung nag-pre-prod kami, sabi niya, ito talaga yung song ko sa fans. Guys, I will not be kidding, talagang seryoso to. Umiyak siya during the run-through. After first, hindi nga niya nabuo yung first line ng kanta. Umiyak siya and parang umahagulgol. And then, yung manager niya, si Kathy Avellana, came up to me, sabi niya, ano bang ginagawa mo? Sabi niya gano'n, ano ba kasi itong ginawa mo direct? Umiiyak ako. Hindi na siya makapag-concentrate kasi umiiyak si Nina on stage. And we were just doing the first song dun sa show. And sabi ko kay Miss Kat, umalis ka sa tabi ko. Huwag kang pumunta sa tabi ko kasi maiiyak ako, hindi ako makaka-concentrate. And magra-ranto na kami. So, dahil umiiyak siya, sinasabi ko dun sa mga stage managers, guys, please ask her if she's okay and if she wants to skip a song. Sabi ng mga stage manager sa akin, direct ayaw niyang mag-skip ng song. Gusto daw niya pasadaan lahat. And talagang sumobra yung hanga ko sa kanya. Parang sabi ko, ibang klase itong babaeng to. Sabi ko, hindi siya tao. Alam mo yung parang ganong expression, hindi siya tao kasi yung buong show, pinasadahan niya talaga. Imagine mo, these songs are, songs that kinakanta niya sa mga bars niya, but pini-perfect pa rin niya kahit na ilang beses niya nakanta yung Trotafy, yung Love Moves. Parang nanahanga nga ako mismo, humahanga ako sa kanya. Sobrang humahanga ako sa kanya. And yun nga, another thing na napapansin ko sa mga questions niyo, anong next para kay Nina? Ako, as a director, meron akong inaawit sa kanya na konsepto, sa kanya at saka sa manager niya. It's actually, I hope this pushes through. I'm putting it out kasi may gusto ko lang siyang ma-manifest. It's a show na hindi siya Nina Life, of course. It's not a show na parang typical. Ang inaawit ko is a collaboration. It's not really a collaboration, but it's a tribute show wherein she will sing songs of a very iconic Filipino singer. So, yun yung inaawit ko sa kanya at saka kay Miss Kat, sana mapagbigyan niyo ako next year, Valentine's. Gawin na natin, ituloy na natin yung konsepto ko. But it's a tribute show to a famous Filipino composer. So lahat Buhay pa siya, yes. Huwag natin siyang patayin. Habang buhay pa siya, bigyan na natin ng tribute. But it's an all-Tagalog, all-Tagalog concert kasi hindi yan po nangyayari sa madalas sa mga shows ni Nina. And it's something new to the fans. So yun. Kaya I think parang sabi yata ni Nina, sige pag-usapan natin si Miss Kat, sabi niya, sige pag-usapan natin kasi gusto namin yung konsepto kasi kakaiba siya, hindi siya yung usual. Yun. Tapos, isa pa, going back to Nina XX, ang nakakatuwa sa show na to, nilaban ko to ng buong puso. Sabi ko sa mga producers, gawin natin yung Nina Live 20th anniversary. Huwag niyo akong bayaran pag hindi kayo nag-break even. Huwag niyo bayaran yung buong staff ko, pati ako. Yung buong production. Pag hindi nag-break even. And you know what, guys? If you were here during the first press conference, the moment after we announced on that day that tickets are out, kumalahati na po yung tickets namin within 1 week. And we are talking of the Newport Performing Arts Theater, which is 1,500, I think. So, 1,700. So, almost kalahati po, or even more than kalahati, nung venue na nabenta po namin online after natin mag-press con yung last time dito. Ganun po siya kalakas. Sabi ko, ayan na, nag-break even na kayo. Bayaran nyo na yung buong production na. Sabi ko, yung ako tsaka yung staff ko. Kasi ganun ako ka-confident dun sa konsepto. Kasi this is actually 1 year in the making bago ito nangyari. Yung Nina XX, yung una. Alam niya ng kanyang manager kasi yun nga, natutuwa ako kay Miss Kat. I also would like to thank Miss Kat for giving me the opportunity to mount the Nina Live anniversary. Kasi nga, sabi niya sa akin, gagawin lang namin to, pinag-usapan namin ni Mins pag ikaw ang director. And thank you na binigay niyo talaga sa akin yun. So anyway, yes, going back to yun nga, yung tungkol sa tickets, today po, please, pakisulat na po sa mga ilalabas nyo, sa mga articles nyo na out na po today ang ticket. Kasi po, para binubugbog na po kami ng mga fans. Gigil na po silang bumili ng tickets. And we've been getting a lot of messages and all. Kaya ba kayo maglalabas? Kumbaga, nag-announce na kayo ng repeat pero wala pa kayong ticket. So ngayon po, online na po kami sa Ticket World. Tulungan niyo po kami to spread the word that tickets are out para po ma-sold out ulit kami.
At may repeat na naman.
At para mabayaran ulit ako. Thank you so much, guys. Some of you are my friends from way back, and some of you are, people that I know been helping Gemwell, our publicist, and Echo Jam, and SynthX to promote the show. Maraming salamat. We really appreciate all your help.
Nina, reaction mo sa mga ang dami mo i-share directly.
Truly a few words. Wala siyang mic. Walang mic si Miss Nina.
Naubos na yung words. Kanina pa ako words. But, of course, thank you so much, Derek Calvin, for all the wonderful, for the praises and for the wonderful comments about me and the concert. And yun nga, when me and my manager, Kathy Avellana, talked about the Nina XX album, talagang naganap talaga kami ng someone, ng director na who's also as enthusiastic as the two of us. So, ang nakita namin si Derek, kasi talagang, yun nga, one year in the making, talagang pinag-usapan, gawa tayo ng concert, sabi ni Derek. So talagang sobra siyang excited, sobra talagang gustong-gusto niya. And syempre lahat naman tayo gusto natin makatrabaho, yung mga gustong-gusto ka rin makatrabaho. Diba? Para same kayo ng wavelength, same kayo ng iniisip. So, we were so glad, me and my manager, were so glad na we chanced upon Direk Calvin, who was also enthusiastically into the XX concert.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Wow, sweet. After the last few questions from James Miguel, Nina will be available for interviews sa television, then sa sit-down interviews. Pero after ng last few questions ni James Miguel, photo op muna, baka makalimutan natin. O, ganda mo mga last questions, ha? Adagdagan kita. Yeah, ikaw may additional. No?
Hi Nina, may question lang. Kasi ang bongga ng medley na mga ginawa ko dun sa last concert, iba-iba yung mga medleys na kakantayin mo this time.
Which medley yung
Yung ibang singer, yung mga pinakilala na parang isang diretso siya.
Ito ba yung Mari Manilu ba yun? Oo. Secret. Kasi syempre secret na lang kasi para basta marami silang maabangan na bago. Yung mga nanood the last time, maraming mga bago silang mapapanood. Yung mga hindi nakapanood, at least they will also be happy with the show that we're gonna do for the Nina X repeat.
Tsaka follow-up lang, kasi bongga din yung mga outfit mo dun sa
Thank
last
you.
concert. Mas bongga ba this time? And yung, di ba parang mga dance ka din na ginawa na?
Yes, syempre, babonggahin natin yan, syempre. Bongga the first, bongga the second.
So mataas na slit to, yung mga ganyan.
Yes, hindi pong konti na lang ngayon sa site ng Junjun, di ba? Mga ganyan. Yes, gusto natin yan. Bongga.
Ayun lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And with that, we would like to ask Ms. Nina to invite all of us already for the September 24th repeat. Ms. Nina?
Yes, first of all, thank you so much to our beloved reporters, press people for coming over for this press conference. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure, answering your questions and sharing my insights and lessons in life and whatever. Pero sana po, I'm inviting everyone on July pa naman. September 24, July, tapos na. September 24 sa Newport Performing Arts Theater. It's the Nina XX repeat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta nung first show and so really grateful and overwhelmed sa lahat ng suporta and pagmamahal ng lahat ng tao for me and my music. So, September 24, Newport Performing Arts Theater, Nina XX, the repeat. Thank you.
Your guests?
My guests are Christian Bautista, finally nakuha na namin si Christian Bautista, Thor, and Top of Freestyle. Directed by Direk Calvin.
Yeah. Of course, produced by SynthX and EcoJam Entertainment Productions. Ayan. Bago tayo magwakas, huwag niyo pong kalimutan, please naglalambing po kami na huwag niyo kalimutan isulat sa mga write-up, sa mga articles that the press con was held at the 22 Prime of Discovery Suites. Tickets are out today, now na.
Yes, today. Ticket World.
Ticket World, yeah. Photo op po tayo with Miss Nina.